This is just a very short video. This is for anyone that owns a golf cart that might be having a problem getting it to charge up with the charger that goes with your golf cart. Now I'm going to explain to you exactly what I did to get this one back up and charging. Here is the battery bank. This is 36 volts. It's a 6-volt batteries, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in series that gives you 36 volts. And so what I did is I took a 12-volt charger and I started right here where this white wire comes in. I started right here and I went all the way through the other battery and over here to the negative. So I was charging 2 batteries at one time. That's how you're able to use a 12-volt charger. And then I let it charge for an hour. After the hour, I went between this battery and this battery in series, did the same thing, then the last 2 last. But like I said, you want to start here. That's where your white wire is coming in. Start here, leave this hooked up. Now I did unhook it. I didn't want any kind of feedback. I don't think you would have to. You would just have to put your negative here, your positive here, go 1 hour. At the end of the hour, go to this positive, over here to this negative, and then 1 hour, and then do the same thing on these last 2. And now let me explain to you why. So here is the actual charger for the golf cart itself. You can see the cord here, and I've got it plugged in, and it is charging. Got it plugged up, but it is charging, as you can see. And the reason he could not get it to charge is because those batteries were completely dead, 0 voltage. Inside of this unit, there is 2 circuit boards. One circuit board has a relay that actually connects when it detects DC voltage. There's a circuit board that senses the DC voltage that energizes the relay, and that's what starts the charging. And it depends on that DC voltage from the batteries. So you have got to leave some charge on your batteries, never run it completely out. That is the takeaway from this video. If you've got a golf cart and you have run your batteries completely 0, no voltage, chances are it's not going to charge until you get some juice back in them because of this sensor that senses voltage. Kind of lame in my way of thinking. You know, I meant, it seemed like they could come up with something a little bit better than that, but that was definitely the issue with this one. We're up and charging, and this unit will automatically cut off once it's fully charged. So hopefully we'll be able to take this thing for a spin here momentarily. Thanks for watching. Short video, but hopefully it will help somebody out.